this is Ghar Ka Mamla. So we should keep our house in order. It's important that, we reach out to people and explain to them, what the discussion was and where, we have agreed on. Because for the sake of clarity, I would like to tell you one thing. The Constitution of India is supreme. People are confused about one thing which I want to explain. Now, the Home Minister, the Prime Minister is also under the Constitution of India. I am also under the Constitution. You are also under the Constitution. So nowhere in the Constitution of India it says, or did you ever come across where it says that the territorial integrity of Manipur should be maintained? It does not say anywhere in the Constitution of India. So saying maintaining territorial integrity of Manipur in the SO clause is unconstitutional. Which was done in 2008 could have been a mistake, but this time we have override that. Now it says political solution will be based on the Constitution of India. So the Constitution of India clearly says that a new state or a new union territory can be created according to Article 2 or 3 of the Constitution of India. So I feel this is a very counterbalancing arrangement by the Minister of Home Affairs. I appreciate, and the floor is open. So I would like to appeal to my people not to lose hope, and we have had enough. It is separate administration or nothing. We are not going to, stop here. We are going to move forward.
Last question, Mr. Kibgian. Since yesterday we are given to understand that NH2, sort of a lifeline for your state, connects Manipur with the rest of the northeast, has been opened. So if you can just throw some light, what is the current status? Was it discussed with the government?
Yes, the Kuki-Jo Council, collective body of the tribes in the Kuki-Jo community, I would say the apex body now, were invited for talks with the MHA. So the MHA delegates requested them to open the national highway, NH2, Imphal-Dimapur stretch. To this they said that we have never announced closure of the NH2. So they issued a statement saying that the NH2 has been opened, and it is always open. And it is up to the government of India how they will deal with the security aspect. So the statement is NH2 was not open yesterday. It has always been open. Anybody can travel at their own risk. The people who are living near the NH2 are not responsible for